Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called Zapsplat. So it will help you find thousands of sound effects from across the world that can be used for your various projects, which is free of any commercial and it is free for commercial and non-commercial use. So these are sound effects which you can download instantly. There's a growing range of free sound packs that is available. So you can filter it by various categories. If you're looking for animal sounds, then you can have those animal sounds. If you're looking for food and drinks, you can have those sounds too. So let me show you. It has very specific sounds like unopened packet of potato chips. So this is how it looks. So these are some sounds that is very difficult to find unless you search for it thoroughly. But in this platform, you can find all those sounds easily. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.